Tropical storm Hilary has made landfall along Mexico's Baja California coast. Taking a live look right now, that is Tijuana, just south of the state line from San Diego into Mexico. On the other side of the border, Southern California now bracing to see California's first tropical storm in 84 years. The National Weather Service says to expect catastrophic and life-threatening flooding in the region. A flash flood warning also has been issued for Los Angeles County. All state beaches in San Diego and Orange counties are also closed. And officials warn some places could see power outages, high winds, and mudslides. Wow, time now to check our weather. A lot of Californians have moved to the Carolinas. They can relate to that area. That is wild to see there on the West Coast.
It really is. And a historic event, Jane, as we take a look. And you're from out west, or at least
I have lived a long time there as well, in LA and Orange County.
And can you imagine a tropical system
that is
making landfall?
Amazing. Yes, it really is.
Let's take a look right now at some of those tropical weather alerts in effect for the Baja Peninsula up through Southern California through tonight. We have tropical storm warnings as well as high water alerts and flood warnings in effect for a large chunk of the region tonight. And take a look right now, satellite and radar, as we have some light to moderate showers, some pockets of heavy rainfall continuing to saturate the area tonight. And that's why folks there are on high alert for the mudslides, the landslides, and all impacts leading to the rising water for this particular region here. And here's the latest storm track on Tropical Storm Hilary now as it continues to move into Southern California through this evening, moving north at about 23 miles per hour. Sustained winds coming in max at 70 miles per hour. So this is a system that will continue to have an impact on the region from days from now. Taking a look right now from the Atlantic Basin, it is very active in the Atlantic Basin right now. We have multiple tropical storms, Tropical Storm Franklin, as well as Tropical Storm Emily. We do have a tropical depression number 6, and we have multiple waves that are showing signs of further development. So we will keep an eye on the tropics in the Atlantic Basin in the coming days. Here at home, in the Carolinas, we have gorgeous blue skies for today. A live look coming in from the Charlotte Motor Speedway on our Sunday afternoon, and we have been blessed with sunshine all weekend long. Now the heat is starting to crank up as we move into the next couple of days. Checking in now, temperatures around 91 in Charlotte, 92 in Monroe, 91 in Concord. Salisbury, you're at 88, 89 in Statesville, Boone at 80, Jefferson, one of the cooler locations, at 75. For this evening, you're good to go in terms of the weather. We'll have temperatures slow to cool down for this evening. Nonetheless, it will be a dry and calm one. Overnight lows, this is what you can expect out the door for your Monday. We're going to kick off the week on a quiet note, if I may. 65 would be that temperature in Lincoln out the door, 71 in Charlotte. So we'll have a range of temperatures, but you can tell that we're starting to nudge on a warmer side with our morning temperatures for the week. A little bit warmer than this morning and yesterday morning. And we know the heat is coming back into the week. This is your Monday afternoon. We'll start off the day around 70 to 72. Plenty of sunshine at daybreak, a mix of sun and clouds into the afternoon. Temperatures around 95, 96, but it'll feel more like 100 degrees. So we will have to consider the heat index for Monday. Not only for Monday, but we could have a heat advisory on the horizon as we head into Tuesday. That's because we'll have the heat index near 104. So once again, as we continue to tell you, take the heat seriously, allow for some breaks in your day, as well as stay cool and stay hydrated. As you see it with the Guy Roofing 7-day forecast, Wednesday and Thursday, low 90s. But notice by Friday into Saturday, it's all about the heat, and we'll get very, very little relief from the rain department.